Difference between SHA1 and SHA2. 1. SHA1, Secure Hash Algorithm 1. SHA1 is a cryptographic hash function which is designed by United States National Security Agency. It takes an input and produces a 160 bits hash value. Further, the output produced by this function is converted into a 40 digits long hexadecimal number. It is a US Federal Information Processing Standard. It was first published in 1995. It is successor to SHA0 published in 1993. Example: Data, Honest Marg SHA1, at BF811B114239C8. 2. SHA2, Secure Hash Algorithm 2. SHA1 is also a cryptographic hash function which is designed by United States National Security Agency. It is constructed using the Merkle-Damgard structure from a one-way compression function. The compression function used is constructed using the Davies-Meyer structure from a classified block cipher. It was first published in 2001. It is successor to SHA1. Example: Data, Honest Marg SHA2, 256, FATC7. Difference between SHA1 and SHA2. SHA1. SHA2. It is a cryptographic hash function designed by U.S. National Security Agency to replace SHA0. It is a cryptographic hash function designed by U.S. National Security Agency to replace SHA1. It was published in 1995. While it was published in 2001, it produces 160 bits hash value. It produces 224, 256, 384 or 512 bits hash value. It is successor to SHA0 and predecessor to SHA2. It is successor to SHA1 and predecessor to SHA3. It is less secure. While it is more secure, its structure is based on Merkle-Damgard construction. Its structure is based on Merkle-Damgard structure with Davies-Meyer compression function. SHA1 certificates are not reliable. SHA2 has more improved certificates. It generates smaller hash, while it generates larger hash. Hash generated by SHA1 is weak, while hash generated by SHA2 is strong. It is not widely used nowadays. While it is used widely,